Hello humans, today we're going to be drawing one of my favorite holiday horribles, the Abominable Snowman, or the BUMBLE from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer holiday special. So grab a pencil and a pen and some paper. Let's get drawing. I'm going to start out with pencil and draw really lightly. I'm going to build him up with simple shapes. Start with a sort of an egg shape here. In the very middle of the paper. I'm going to start with the egg shape and then kind of build off of that. Start with a circle, move up like that. And look how messy I'm being. It's alright to work through this as like the blueprint or the skeleton of your character. So I'm just dividing this shape up a little bit and trying to get a feel of, he's like a barrel-chested character with a tummy, and his head kind of just is sitting on top of his torso a bit. So from there, I'm going to draw two sort of small macaroni shapes here for his legs. I'm gonna have them taper into that first circle a little bit, so they're gonna flare out a little bit on the bottom to give it some weight, give the shape some weight, and so it's not super even. Okay, and he's got gonna see a few of his toes coming out of his furry legs here. So just do like 3 little half circles here. Or you can, if you got space, we can, really get into that toe design a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna have him roaring really before he got all his teeth pulled out. Spoiler alert at the end there. So I'm gonna put 2 of his arms coming up like this, kind of bigger noodly shapes here. And you think he's coming in, I guess is coming through there, and that's called like a through line. You want to get everything all kind of lined up, a little bit off center, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes. So I'm going to draw on the end of those long noodly arms. I'm going to draw 2 circles like that. And coming off each of those, kind of curved fingers coming off. And I guess they're like raindrops, upside down raindrops. They're curved slightly. So I'm gonna do that on both. He's kind of I remember being really scared of him as a kid. But watching again, he's quite a goofy character. Okay, so he's gonna be. We'll do this in the next stage. He's full of like really, long fur. Gotta get his face right. So I'm gonna draw another sort of half circle like that, and he's got these long fangs coming out, and he's got lots of little sharp ones around those fangs. I'm gonna play around with that. I'm gonna change those bottom ones a bit. Mine's not gonna look exactly like the stop motion puppet, but not puppet, but model. And he actually's got he's got like a beard or mustache that goes around, so he doesn't go right into his nose. But his nose is sort of a little rounded rectangle up there on top. And his eyes are kind of these ovals like that. Lopsided ovals are on an angle. These ovals are on an angle. He's a little bit cross-eyed here. He's got like this forehead as well. Kind of comes in like this. He's kind of doesn't have a mean look to him. He just kind of looks kind of just startled. But he's got a lot of hair coming out, and he's got I think he's got some crazy hair coming out. I'm gonna do some fixing up. That's more detail than I usually do on the on here, in the pencils. But you want to give him, he's got like this belly here, and he's got some, maybe been to the gym a little bit. He's got some pecs here. There he is a little bit. And actually he's got some claws too. I gotta go here. I'm gonna roughen some claws. Put some snow around him here. Okay, he's roughed in. There's my Bumble. Now I'm ready to ink him. I got my pen ready. Grab a pen or a marker, whatever you like. And now I'm gonna go over all the pencils I've just done. So he's got this wispy, tenderly hair coming down. And it just kind of depends how much time or detail you want to spend on him, but I think I might just do kind of like an outline in there. And you can just do some hints that there's some crazy fur going down. He's got these little stubby legs. I'm just going to add some more hints of his fur coming down like that, and it's kind of hard to see his toes, but I'm going to add some more detail on there that I can see. So I'm just going to add some big toes coming in like that, some toenails. There we go. And I'm gonna have this fur go, what I usually do with the fur or hair on animals or whatever, or creatures. I have the fur go in the direction of the action or which way the arm's going. So in this way it's kind of moving upwards rather than just coming straight out. kind of want to vary your peaks and your troughs of your fur to make it a little, you know, disheveled or unkept. I'm just going to go around. Such a cool design here. Just want to get it right. Let's do his teeth that Hermie pulls out later on. That's his tongue behind his teeth. Let's do his nose. Fill in his mouth a little bit to make it stand out. A little bit of a bottom lip. So I'm going to add some detail to his hands here. Go over everything. Can add some wrinkles and doing some snow. And we know a few facts about Bumble throughout the show. He can't swim, or they sink. And they bounce. There's a Bumble. I'm just gonna use my blue pencil here. I haven't been doing color in these videos, but I'm gonna add a little bit of blue since I have it laying right here. hope you enjoyed that one. And please share your drawings with me, your character designs, and if you if you got any other suggestions for any other characters, Christmas themed or not, give me a shout, and I'll draw it on the next one. So thanks for watching, and hit subscribe and all that, and so you keep up to date with all the videos I'm uploading. Thank you. Bye.